Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling the specific tools. This avoids interruptions. First, remove visible screws in the armrest and door pull. Keep them in a container. Next, use a trim pry tool at the top edge and lift gently. You want to free the top clips first because they hold most tension. Once done, work downward releasing clips one by one and make sure to stop if a clip resists. Reposition the pry tool rather than forcing the plastic. With the panel partially free, next focus on the internal connections. You should unclip the inner handle linkage carefully. There's a small plastic retainer that can deform, so pull straight and observe how it sits. Then, depress the electrical connector tabs for the window switch and door lock and pull them out. This prevents wiring strain. After that, locate and remove the speaker or regulator bolts. Support the regulator or speaker. Now lift the panel straight up to clear the top edge and then tilt it outward while guiding wiring through the opening. You want to inspect the vapor barrier and any adhesive foam, repair tears, and reseat it to prevent wind noise. Before reinstalling, replace any broken clips so the panel snaps securely. When you put everything back, reconnect the electricals, test the window and lock functions to confirm clearance, and only then reinstall screws. If operation binds, stop and check for missed fastener or pinched cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.